'81 Corvette Datona Front Nose. I've got it reinforced and it's ready to actually surface prime and start working on reshaping it to back to its original self. Very bad break here and here, and all this is reinforced on the back side, so it's ready to surface prime about 4 times and then start blocking it out, and then fill in any areas that need filled. But yeah, got the lights in there set to where they be close. I took a 3/4 of an inch off the depth here to more match the aftermarket or regular C3 noses. And then I made these PVC spacers to hold it where I wanted it. And then fiberglass those in. Same with the the side markers, PVC and fiberglass. Before it was metal straps that were just put on with body filler and basically panel bond, which some of it was broken away from the fiberglass. So I think the fiberglass will be a better hold. And anyway, once you get these in and you don't mess with them, they're going to be pretty solid. So, yep, had to add quite a bit of fiberglass here, about 1/4 inch. Somebody had, for some reason, filed that off, sanded it down wrong or something, but got to re-drill my holes where I've reinforced it, where some of these were cracked. But then I've drilled holes here where there was, these are just dimples where they match up with the front of the car, but there was only like 2 on one side, so I drilled an extra one. There are 3 places for mounting, but they had broken screws in them, and I guess from original, so when they took the old nose off and put this one on, the broken screws never did get fastened. I think there was 1 screw hole in here, but you have these all the way down. As I'm not sure about anything, but might even fasten, make me a support rod coming from here back up into the car to where it'll keep it from flexing there. But that's it, fellas. Thank you for your help, and see you on the next part coming in.